In a darkened room, the lanterns glow, each one shining with a light to show. Red and gold and shades of blue, together they cast a radiant hue. Some burn bright, some softly gleam, each light unique, a part of the dream. The keeper smiles, their wisdom clear, for every light has purpose here. Oh, the lanterns shine, each one a flame, different colors, yet all the same. Together they brighten the darkest night, reflecting the love of the keeper's light. Do not dim what God has made, for in His hands all lights cascade. The people question, why not one? Why so many shining as they've done? Let them conform, let them align. Surely one color would be divine. But the keeper said, each light is a gift. Together they heal, together they lift. Who are you to extinguish their glow? For in their unity love will flow. Oh, the lanterns shine, each one a flame, different colors, yet all the same. Together they brighten the darkest night, reflecting the love of the keeper's light. Do not dim what God has made, for in His hands all lights cascade. Even the dimmest light has worth. Its glow can warm the coldest earth, and the brightest flames, though fierce they burn, are guided with love so all may learn. God's love like lantern shines through all, from the mighty blaze to the faintest call. Trust in His wisdom, His gentle hand, for every light fulfills His plan. And Jesus said, you are the lights, the lanterns of love in the world's dark night. Do not extinguish another's flame, for in doing so you bring shame. The disciples saw the beauty in each, every soul a lantern within their reach. They carried the lesson, they shared the glow, reflecting the keeper's love to show. Oh, the lanterns shine, each one a flame, different colors, yet all the same. Together they brighten the darkest night, reflecting the love of the keeper's light. Do not dim what God has made, for in His hands all lights cascade. The lanterns glow, their light divine, a symbol of love in every line, through every shade, through every hue. God's love shines bright in me and you. Oh, the lanterns of heaven call, inviting the hearts of one and all. Together we shine a radiant beam, for the love of God fulfills the dream. Oh, the lanterns shine, each one a flame, different colors, yet all the same. cascade.